Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. Today we're going to take a look at some new skincare releases and we're going to have a little chat. What we're going to spend our money on and what we're not going to waste our money on. Hopefully my opinion might help yours with your purchasing power. Let's get straight into it. This is the Truly Beauty's Glazed Donut Aftershave Glow Cream. Can we stop with the glazed donut? I'm so fucking bored of glazed fucking donut. Everything with a shine on it is a glazed fucking donut nowadays. Like, hydrating, soothing, healing, a rich body moisturizer that deeply nourishes, hydrates, and protects with an indulgent vanilla glaze scent. Right, okay, that's why they're calling it glaze. Melts into skin for instant razor burn and bump relief, leaves skin gorgeously smooth for $31.99. Formulated with hyaluronic acid for smoothness, niacinamide to reduce redness and irritation, and vitamin E to deeply nourish, condition, and support barrier function. Listen, that sounds nice. For a body moisturizer, it sounds nice. Like, fine, yeah, nice. I think this glazed donut term often refers to a glazed finish to a somewhat boring looking donut, like the one from the Krispy Kreme pack that nobody really wants and you leave for last because it's just like original. And I feel like they're latching onto that trend as much as they can by a real reach of saying, oh, it's vanilla scented, it's vanilla glaze scented. But honestly, it looks like a really nice product. It sounds like a really nice product. I love a purple product as well. Next up is the EOS Bedazzled Birthday Cake Lip Balm. A sweet combination of vanilla cake, buttercream icing, and rainbow sprinkles, formulated for sensitive skin and made with soothing shea butter, weightless coconut oil, protective antioxidants for all-day moisture for $9.99. Now, if you haven't seen my When Beauty Turns Ugly video all about the EOS lawsuit, check it out here. I've used them before with no issue whatsoever. Listen, I'm not going to buy this shit, but do I love a bedazzled product? Yes, only ever since I saw Tyra Banks bedazzle a Vaseline tub. I wanted one of those really, really bad. I don't think they're the best lip balms, to be honest with you, but for £10 as a cute gift for someone or somebody younger, I think it's really fucking cute. I won't be buying it, but I think it's a cute idea. There is a new Glow Recipe product. I'm not sure when they're going to announce it. If I'm going to blur it here because I don't think it's... Trend Mood somehow always leak a new Glow Recipe product, or it's somebody at Sephora leaking it, for example. But then why has it got tester on it? I don't know how this keeps happening, but I'm going to put it here. Blurred. If I have permission to post about it, I will unblur it and talk about it now. I have received this in PR before it came out, and it's a peptide, pomegranate peptide serum. Lifting, firming serum with polypeptides, pomegranate seed oil, and hyaluronic acid. I'm wanting to get into peptides more. They sound like a very overlooked ingredient to help with well aging, but I need to learn more about it. But in general, as a daily use serum, I've been using this twice a day. It's incredibly hydrating. It feels super soft on the skin. It makes my skin look amazing. It's only been a week, so I can't say anything about the results, obviously. So I'm looking for a tightness to my skin that hopefully this can provide, but we won't know for a month's time. Lush's Barbie collection to celebrate the Barbie movie. I'm usually bored to death of merch, like movie merch or like, you know, glazed donut, for example. Trends. I'm not bored of the Barbie merch, you know? I'm not bored of it. I think because she's such an icon and she's going to be around for years and years to come, it's less of a trend and more of a moment for Barbie. And this collection includes a boombox soap for $10, car-shaped bubble bar for $11, bee-shaped bath bomb for $9, heart-shaped body balm for $14, dream sugar scrub $15, which is a citrus scent, handbag soap for $10, heel soap for $10, jelly mask for $14, pink shampoo for $32, and body spray for $55. I want to sniff it. I might sniff it when I like see it in a shop or something. But for me, I used to love a bath bomb. I used to love them, but there's a sense of disappointment with them now. Like, I'll put them in the bath and then it fizzes. I'm like, well, that's over. And then you have to sit in it for a bit, which is fun for about 2 minutes. And then I get bored. So I won't be rushing out to buy any of this. I do want to smell what the mask smells like and looks like and feels like. But for me, Lush's products, of course, tend to be on the more natural side, which for me means more irritants. So I will probably be avoiding this collection. I want to sniff it though. So Kylie Cosmetics do these lip products, which I've never heard of before, called Gloss Drips, and they've got 3 new colors: Sweet Like Honey, which is a sheer grapefruit shade; Playfully Pink, which is a baby pink with sparkles; and Fall in Love, which I don't know. That picture is horrific. That picture is horrible. Ooh, it looks like her tongue's frozen in the... What is that? Is that her tongue? What is that? I don't know what that is, but that's scary. She looks great, but that's terrifying. These very much remind me of like Naturium's like Phyto lip products, and Glossier's ones as well. And to be honest with you, it looks like a very basic balm with a glossy texture, which we love nowadays. And the colors do look really, really nice. They are £14 each or $37 for the new collection. Yeah, no, I would pay that. I would pay that. They say, swipe on my juicy gloss drip. Juicy gloss drip. Wouldn't it be better if it was like juicy drip gloss to sound like lip gloss? I don't know. For a reflective mirror shine finish featuring cushiony texture. Okay, cool. Ingredients. A basic lip balm with a load of colours in. I don't have an issue with that. £14, that actually looks okay, and I don't mind a few of those colours. I don't need them because I've got the Naturium Phyto ones, which I really, really like, and I've got all of these. But yeah, I don't know, seems fine. Okay, so I saw Karen O uses this. This is the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream for all skin types. If you don't know who Karen O is, she is to me one of the original beauty influencers, especially when it comes to like Korean skincare. She was one of the bigger influencers for me, and I saw that she used this, or at least their advert said she used this, so I'm interested in it. It's a collagen niacinamide jelly. They say it's a glow boosting, skin plumping jelly cream formulated with 98% of freeze-dried hydrolyzed collagen, so nice and moisturizing. Just after one use, the skin restores its natural inner radiance with tightened, radiant, volumized look with Korean glass glow. So they're kind of saying this is an anti-aging cream when it's not really. It's a hydrating, moisturizing, plumping cream, which again, I'm fine with. Creams this light tend to be not moisturizing enough, even for me with oily skin. They tend to just disappear on the skin. I want to buy this. I expect it to leave me with a dewy glow and a really hydrated feeling, not just a look to my skin. And if it doesn't, I'll use it on my knees, you know? But I'm going to be buying this because it sounds and looks good. It looks nice. I just want to mention this one. This is the Nails Inc. Fruit Loops collection. I love that Nails Inc. aren't scared to do a collab and be fun, as well as producing really good quality, top quality, professional nail products. They did that cheese collection. They did a cheese scented nail polish, which is disgusting, but I bet it smells so good. I'd literally be like all the time. And this Fruit Loop collection, it should have come out earlier for like our summer, I would say, but you know, it looks great. I think it looks really fun. Oh, Phlur have a new fragrance out, Father Figure, which looks and sounds incredible. So they say, rooted in lushness, Father Figure is a vivid green fragrance that captures intimate feeling of cool. Fragrance family, earthy and woody, my favorite. Scent types, warm woods, my favorite. Keynotes, lush fig, jasmine dew, and sandalwood. That sounds like, to me, a refreshing daytime version of my woody, warm fragrances that I like to wear in the evening. I have not disliked a Phlur fragrance. Let me tell you something. Phlur, Soltaire, Naturium, Make, Prequel, all from the same hub. None of them have a bad product. None of them have a terrible product. They're not all my favorite, but none of them are bad. That group knows what the fuck they're doing with cosmetics of all types: makeup, skincare, body care, fucking deodorant. They make with some Soltaire make the best deodorant. I trust every product that comes out of that group. They're just incredible. Prequel, let's talk about Prequel. So Prequel is a new skincare brand from dermatologist Dr. Sam Ellis, one of very few dermatologist created brands, and I feel like you kind of see that in the products. So the products we have is a glycerin-based cleanser. I think it's called the Glenser. Is a play on words with the words glycerin and cleanser together. It contains 50% glycerin, and you can feel that. It feels like a thick, juicy cleanser. And when it goes on, it feels like, this is gonna sound bad, but it's not. It feels almost like slimy, like it's just slithering across your skin, but like leaving this moisturized, hydrated kind of feel behind with it. And it lavers up so beautifully and soft. It's cushiony. Rinse it away, and you're left feeling moisturized. It's such a nice cleanser. It comes in this huge bottle as well. They also have their Skin Utility Ointment, I believe it's called, which is basically like a slugging product with 45% petroleum. A great slugging product. Think that Vaseline, but like lighter and easier to spread. Like I can use a tiny bit and create a really nice layer all over my skin. And then their Urea Moisturizer. Sorry, my internet is not loading at all. I'm pretty sure Urea is soothing and like calming. It's a nice thick moisturizer that isn't too thick for oily skin, is more than enough for dry skin. It's a really nice everyday use moisturizer. I got to use these products only for like a couple weeks before they launched, so it's still new, early days as of filming this video right now, but I'm really enjoying them. They're really, really nice products, and I think it's such a nice bundle to have. I'm usually like, oh, I wish they released a serum or a toner, but this kind of makes sense for a dermatologist-led brand, in my opinion. So let me know what you think about any of these new launches down below. If you're going to be purchasing any of them yourself, let me know down below. As always, you've watched some more product reviews here, some general light entertainment here, and I'll see you over there.